Alright folks, how we doing? Today I'm in the Campsies and I'm going to be doing Earls Seat, which is 578 metres I think. It's the highest point in the Campsies, so basically we've just come up from Dungoyne Distillery there and we're going to head this way. So you can see there, you got the side of that hill there, is one of my favourite hills, Dungoyne, right up there, but we're going to go up that way and bypass it, then go right onto the hill, so it should be quite good. So I'm looking forward to it. The rain's on now, but we should get some snow up there, so catch you guys on the trail. This bit here is the steepest bit of the hike. It's right at the start as well, so it's tough going. I put it on in previous of my videos, it's just really good. It's a good workout and stuff, but it's super tough. So we'll head up there now, get past this bit. This is tough going up this bit, honestly. It's crazy, man. Get it for the lungs, get the fitness up. So that's us onto the wee flatty bit now, bypassing Dungoyne there. So we're going straight up. You see the white track that leads over that hill there, and it's straight over that, right along to Earls Seat. Hey, love this weather, love it! Hopefully there's snow up the top, but we'll see. It's a beautiful Dungoyne there, see it? And Dunfoyne, the sister hill, Campton, both of them. Absolutely brilliant. Learn, and there's Balfron where I went to school, high school, and there's a rainbow there. I don't know if you can see it, but look at that. There you go, Conic Hill over there. As I said last week on Ben Lady, time to get the spikes on. Spikes are on. Alright folks, this is at the first wee bit called Gerloch, or Gerloch, I can't remember, it's 542 metres, I'll put it up anyway. What's it like, Brian, eh? Never getting there. It's great. Final push up to the summit now. Crazy winds up there, man. Jeez, oh. But great fun. Love it. Absolutely love it. just go up Dumgoyne, up that route there, and over at the summit and back down. Why not, eh? Alright guys, that's us nearly back at the car now. What a brilliant day with Brian, up to Earls Seat, and then we did Dumgoyne as well. All sorts of weather today, wind, rain, hail, snow, everything you think of, you know what I mean, clag on the mountain, then it all cleared. Absolutely brilliant. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye!